Hey YouTubers. Oh, about a month ago, I say maybe a month and a half ago, I made a YouTube video on making cornbread in a little 8-inch Trementina pan, non-stick, and I've been experimenting with it ever since. I've eaten more cornbread in the last 2 months I have in the last 20 years. What you're looking at here is cornbread. I've expanded the recipe. I put a little bit of molasses, some coconut, peanuts, raisins, and it's no longer cornbread. It's delicious. Um, Also, chopped up apple. Did I mention that? I don't think so. So it's a great snack, and it's something that goes good with a nice something refreshing beverage after dinner. It's a it's a good thing. It's a good thing. Cornbread. Who knew? I recommend highly.